The name of this chapter is Simple Machine. There are two words there in the name, simple and machine. Let us first try to know the meaning of machine. I have taken a container. We can open its lid by our bare hands. So we have to use the fingertips. Let me try. It's so tight that I feel pain at these portions of my fingers. You are certainly thinking me a fool, and why not? Everyone knows that opening these types of lids is easy by using a spoon. So let us try again. How easily it opens now, without offering any pain anywhere at the fingertips. I've used the spoon and opening the lid has turned easier. There are many other objects around us that we use to make our daily tasks easier. Therefore, we can say that the tools and the objects that help us to perform the same work with much less effort than if we did it manually are called the machines. We use washing machine, scooter, cars, and many other. But in all these, there are many parts. On the other hand, objects like human forearm, spoon, stapler, knife, scissors, wrench, bottle opener, hammer, forceps, cricket bat, claw hammer, screw, pulley, hockey stick, seesaw, fishing rods, etc., etc. are some of the examples of simple machines. We will simply remember two key points. Number one, machines usually increase or multiply the applied force or effort. And number two, some machines can change the direction of the applied force. We always experience that machines help us. So, using machine has some advantages. Now the question may arise, can we measure the advantage of a machine? Yes, we can measure. The result is called the mechanical advantage. In the language of science, it can be said that the factor by which a machine multiplies the force applied is called the mechanical advantage. Before knowing how to measure the mechanical advantage of a machine, we need to learn two terms: effort and load. The force applied on the machine is called effort. In our example, we applied force on the spoon. The amount of force applied on the spoon was effort. The spoon also applied some force to remove the lid. The force applied by the machine to do some work is called load. Now, the mechanical advantage can be measured by dividing load by effort. Let us write it in a mathematical form. According to simple mathematical rule, greater the mechanical advantage, lesser will be the effort required to remove the load. In other words, if a machine has greater mechanical advantage, we will get same work done by applying less amount of force. Here, we have to remember three results that can be derived from the above formula. If effort is lesser than load, then mechanical advantage is greater than 1. If effort is equal to load, then mechanical advantage is equal to 1. And if effort is greater than load, then mechanical advantage is less than 1. We will remember one more term, and that is efficiency of a machine. Some amount of work is done when we apply force on the machine. The energy is produced while doing this work. This energy is called input energy. As we prefer the machine to do some work, some energy is produced by the machine too. This energy is called the output energy. The ratio of the work done by the machine and the work done on the machine is called the efficiency. Let us write it in a mathematical form. Efficiency can be written as work done by the machine divided by work done on the machine, or output energy divided by input energy. And efficiency is generally expressed as a percentage. So, efficiency percent can be written as output energy divided by input energy multiplied by 100. If it is told that a machine is 70% efficient, it means that only 70% of the total energy supplied to the machine is utilized by the machine as useful output. 30% is lost due to overcoming the friction between different moving parts of a machine. We are on the last part of the video. This part is on the names of different types of machines. There are 6 different types of machines. Lever, examples like scissors, bottle openers, seesaw, etc. Inclined plane, ram, wooden plank to lift a heavy load. Wedge, screw, pulley, wheel and axle, the steering wheel of a car, or tap. We need another video to learn how these machines help us as in details as possible in these lower classes. Till then, let us prepare today's lesson so that we can memorize these results while learning a few more applications. Have a nice time. Meet you soon.